A ruling by the Industrial Court sitting in Mombasa past Friday could have far-reaching effects in the operations of the country's police force. Judge Onesmus Makau ruled that there was no law blocking the law enforcers from forming the Kenya Police Union to engage their employers, the National Police Service Commission, over better terms of service and working conditions after years of lament by the men and women in uniform. A verdict that upheld what the High Court had ruled in 2006, compelling the Registrar of Trade Unions to recognize and register the Kenya Police Union. The Registrar, however, declined, prompting 4 police officers, Nicky Njuguna, Stephen Chalo, Stephen Karani and Paul Murua, to lodge an appeal at the Industrial Court.
The police officers in this country have the right to engage in collective bargaining with the now established Police Service Commission, which is the employer of police officers in Kenya.
The Industrial Court in the Friday ruling, however, gave the government 4 months to amend all the laws that would hinder the formation and registration of the police union in line with Article 24 of the Constitution. The article limits the rights and freedoms that persons serving in the Kenya Defence Forces and the Kenya Police Service can enjoy, among them the right to privacy, freedom of association, assembly, demonstration and picketing, as well as labor relations and rights of arrested persons.
It is our considered opinion that the police, because that was a perceived position by the authority, that the introduction of a trade union within the police force might resort into strikes and industrial actions. COTU would also wish to say that the enjoyment of that right must be limited to ensure that police officers do not take industrial action or do not go on strike.
Attorney General Professor Githu Muigai disclosed that the government was currently studying the judgment to determine the next course of action, which includes appealing against Justice Makau's verdict. The government's principal legal advisor said the top organs in the police force would meet this week to deliberate on the ruling. The man in charge of the country's police force, David Kimayo, said he had not received the ruling and insisted that as a disciplined institution, the police force would wait for official communication. Kimayo said there were existing police standing orders that were clear on how officers should raise and channel their grievances to the relevant authorities, but maintained that police officers are not allowed to down their tools in any way due to the sensitivity of the security docket. Francis Gashuri, Sunday Live.